How to have two different websites on one Squarespace account. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how we can get this done. Now this is actually a feature that Squarespace has where you can actually create multiple different websites on one single account. So here's the thing, you have your website ready, you can feel free to edit it however you like, you added your custom domain to it and everything. This is one website, but you can create another easily. So if you're on your website and you want to create the other one, all you need to do is just go ahead and go to from this page, obviously, where you can just edit your site and everything, and go to the pages. You want to scroll down until you find your profile picture. So once you find that, you just want to click on that, and that is basically going to take you to the dashboard for your websites. And you can see right away from the dashboard the option to create website. This means that you can actually go ahead and create a completely separate, different website. So just go ahead and click on create website. And then it's just going to show you the website builder, where you can feel free to create your website as you would. Now, obviously, you can feel free to start with a trial with the other site. So you can actually go ahead and create it with a trial first, edit things out first, add your domain, do all of these things, and you can just go ahead and upgrade later on. So obviously creating a website is very simple. You just can skip most things here if you don't want to, but if you have a specific topic that you want to go for, you can also do so from here. So for example, the types of services that you want on your website, like monetize content, publish a blog, offer services or experiences, create portfolio, and you have the other options here as well to choose from. So just go ahead and build your website as you would normally. And here, obviously, you can also feel free to build with AI or browse templates to choose a template, and you can just adjust it to your liking later on. So in my case, I just picked this one, and I'm just going to click on start with this design. And they're just going to set things up for us. Now here we go. Here is going to be where you would want to separate things. So here is going to ask you about the site title. So this is going to be the name of the site. The second one, this is going to be completely different from the first one. So just go ahead and give it a name. I'm just going to name it explain spaces. This time it's just to make it a little bit different, and click on next. And then here you can feel free to obviously edit pages and so on. So once all of that is done, you obviously would want to style your site, and you most definitely want to go to settings and set up your settings here, your domains, everything, because this is a completely different site. And now, once all of this is done, if we just go back and click on our profile picture now, we can actually see that we have two different sites here with two completely different URLs to them. So yeah, this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.